Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix empty layers in Bambu Studio. So when you encounter empty layers, other people try changing the scaling of the object itself. And actually you also have to make sure that you have put the right infills, or you have put sufficient infills in order to make sure that your project right here doesn't have an empty layer. But basically most of the time this only means that your project is simply corrupted, not on the model itself. So the first thing that you want to do is to right click on the model itself, click on the export as one STL, and then in my case I'm just going to put something like export one, click on save, and basically from here you just want to create a new project. So I'm going to click no in order to create a new one, and then basically from here let's just export our project normally. And now if we click on the slice plate option, we won't have any problem whatsoever, but we have this floating regions option, so you just want to click on the jump to export option, and then from here you could adjust this the way you want to. But basically that's how you do it. Most of the time you just have to create a new project. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.